Hi everyone, so let's talk about new options that is very interesting and we should really understand it and know it, how it works in Google applications. Now whenever you go and use Google applications like Google Docs or something like that, and basically you're gonna type dogs, alright, or you're gonna type dogs.google.com, or you're gonna go to Google and you're gonna Google Docs or Sheet or anything you wanted. But I found out a better way that you can do it, and this way everything will be much more speedy and you'll do your work in a faster way and you will get lots of productivity. And how you can do it today, I mean, whenever you decide to open something, okay, so how you can open it faster. Google applications can be accessed anywhere, but there is a shortcut for this that if you learn it today, it'll completely speed up your work today. And I found this trick earlier, so I'm gonna share it to you right now. So let's do it right now. I'm gonna jump up to my computer just right now, okay? Okay, I jumped up to my computer right now, so let's talk about what we can do with the techniques that I'm gonna tell you right now. The techniques are very easy. There are shortcuts. First is docs.new. Whenever you type in Google, whenever you type in Google address or something in Chrome or at the URL doc or docs.new, so you're gonna have a new blank of Google Docs. Sheet.new is the same thing as for Google Docs, so there's nothing wrong with it. Slide.new, this is the same thing. Form.new, keep.new, and finally drawings.new. Now the best way to do it is to really try it, okay? And yeah, we're gonna try this and we're gonna keep it and we're gonna put this into practice how we can do it now. Now you might say, well, you told the theory and you told the shortcuts, we can do the rest. Now let's go through it and really do what we can do with it, okay? And really let's learn how we can do it today, okay? Let's jump into my computer right now. So I jumped into my computer. Now let's type doc or docs.new. So whenever you do that, it opens completely a new page, which is fantastic. Now let's do with the sheet.new or sheets.new, doesn't matter. Okay, you put an S there or you don't. Drawings.new, okay? Wow, you have that as well in here. Or you want to somehow do something else, like what it was it? Let's see. Let's go jump into it. Okay, let's form. Okay, forms.new or form.new. It's the same thing. So you're gonna have that as well. It works for everything and it works for you, so it's really great thing to use. Now this is the technique I found earlier. You can use that really spontaneously anywhere for your project and for anything you wanted. And I'd love to share these tips with you to make you more productive and somehow enjoy Google applications as Google certified educator or a teacher or someone that really is a virtual assistant needs these products to enhance their work. So that was the new updates from Google applications. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.